8 Signs of High Vibration Energy of a High-Value Man. The essence of vibrational excellence. In the silent depths of the human spirit, there exists a powerful force, a vibrational energy that distinguishes the extraordinary men among us. This force, invisible yet palpable, defines the essence of a high-value man, characterized not by his possessions or status, but by his virtues, his actions, and the invisible ripples he creates in the fabric of the universe. As we embark on this journey to uncover the 8 signs of high vibrational energy, we delve into the realm of the unseen, where character is king, and the soul's resonance speaks louder than words. Here, amidst the mystery and the quiet unfolding of true power, we find a high-value man, a beacon of light in a world craving authenticity and depth. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. Unwavering self-confidence. Self-confidence in a high-value man is not merely about self-assurance in social or professional settings. It's an intrinsic belief in his own value and capabilities. This confidence is rooted in a deep understanding of his strengths and weaknesses, and a continuous pursuit of personal growth. It's reflected in the way he carries himself, makes decisions, and interacts with others, always with respect, never with arrogance. Such a man faces life's challenges head-on, not deterred by fear of failure, because his confidence is built on a foundation of resilience and adaptability. He inspires those around him to embrace their own paths with courage and determination, setting a powerful example of what it means to live authentically and fearlessly. Empathy and compassion. Empathy and compassion are vital components of the high vibrational energy that characterizes a high-value man. This individual understands that true strength lies in the ability to connect with others on a deep emotional level, to listen actively, and to respond with kindness and understanding. His empathy allows him to navigate complex interpersonal dynamics with grace, fostering relationships that are rich in trust and mutual respect. Compassion guides his actions, prompting him to contribute positively to the lives of others, whether through small acts of kindness or significant gestures of support. This capacity for empathy and compassion not only enhances his relationships, but also enriches his own life, as he experiences the profound satisfaction that comes from genuinely connecting with and helping others. Integrity and honesty. Integrity and honesty are the cornerstones of a high-value man's character. This man lives by a code of ethics that prioritizes truthfulness, reliability, and fairness. His word is his bond, and his actions consistently reflect his values, even when no one is watching. This unwavering commitment to integrity earns him the trust and respect of his peers. Honesty, for him, is not just about speaking the truth, but also about living it, ensuring that his life is an open book, free of deceit or manipulation. In a world where integrity can sometimes be in short supply, his steadfast adherence to these principles stands out, making him a beacon of reliability and honor in both his personal and professional relationships. Passion and purpose. A high-value man is driven by a clear sense of passion and purpose. His goals and aspirations are not centered on personal achievement alone, but are intertwined with a broader vision for making a meaningful impact in the world. This passion fuels his dedication and perseverance, propelling him forward even in the face of obstacles. His purpose gives direction to his energy, focusing his efforts on pursuits that are not only fulfilling, but also beneficial to others. He seeks to leave a positive mark, driven by an understanding that true fulfillment comes from contributing to something greater than oneself. His passion and purpose are infectious, inspiring others to find and follow their own paths with zeal and determination. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a defining trait of a high-value man, encompassing his ability to understand, empathize with, and manage not only his own emotions, but those of others as well. This skill allows him to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts with compassion, and build strong, healthy relationships. His emotional intelligence enables him to navigate the complexities of human emotions with understanding and care, fostering an environment where people feel seen, heard, and valued. He uses this understanding to lead by example, showing how empathy and emotional awareness can create a more inclusive and supportive community. In recognizing the power of emotional intelligence, he demonstrates that true leadership is not about authority, but about connecting with and uplifting others. Resilience and perseverance. The journey of a high-value man is marked by resilience and perseverance in the face of life's inevitable challenges. His strength lies not in an absence of struggle, but in his capacity to overcome adversity, learn from his experiences, and emerge stronger. This resilience is built on a foundation of optimism and a belief in the possibility of growth and renewal. He approaches setbacks not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities to develop grit and determination. His perseverance inspires those around him, offering a testament to the power of enduring spirit and the importance of pushing forward, even when the path is steep and uncertain. Generosity and altruism. Generosity and altruism are key indicators of a high-value man's vibrational energy. Is motivated not by a desire for recognition, but by a genuine intention to make a difference. This man understands that true wealth is measured not by what one accumulates, but by what one contributes to the world. His altruistic actions, whether grand gestures or simple acts of kindness, ripple through his community, fostering a spirit of generosity and compassion. By prioritizing the well-being of others, he sets a powerful example of how individual actions can collectively create a more supportive, caring society. Balance and harmony. A high-value man strives for balance and harmony in all aspects of his life. He recognizes the importance of nurturing his physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being, understanding that true health is holistic. This balance allows him to engage with the world from a place of stability and peace, making him a calm center in the midst of chaos. He values harmony in his relationships, seeking to create environments where everyone can thrive. His pursuit of balance is a lifelong journey, one that requires mindfulness, self-reflection, and a commitment to continuous growth. In achieving this harmony, he becomes not only a source of strength for himself, but also an anchor for those around him, embodying the serenity that comes from a well-rounded, centered life. As our exploration of the high vibrational energy of a high-value man draws to a close, we stand at the threshold of a profound understanding. The journey through the qualities that define such men, unwavering self-confidence, reveals not just the blueprint of exceptional character, but the path to our own potential. This exploration is more than an acknowledgement of the qualities that distinguish the high-value man. It is a call to each of us to aspire to these heights, to cultivate these traits within ourselves, and to impact the world positively. In doing so, we not only honor the essence of high vibrational energy, but also contribute to a legacy of value, a legacy that transcends the individual and resonates through the ages. The high-value man's journey is a reminder that our greatest strength lies in our character, our actions, and the vibrational energy we choose to emit. Let us move forward, inspired by this vision, to elevate our vibrations and embody the highest values, creating a world enriched by our presence and our contributions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.